Bullish Cardano, ADA, cost expectations range somewhere in the range of $1.94 and $4.23 by 2030. Market investigators expect ADA could reach $1.94 by 2025. Bearish Cardano market cost expectation for 2022 is $0.345480. Cardano, ADA, presentation. The digital currency market is duplicating continuously. In any case, staying aware of this quick-moving industry is certainly not a simple undertaking. Accordingly, numerous financial backers and brokers who need to exploit the market to create critical gains are drawn to Cardano. Keep close by for a careful clarification of how Cardano cost expectation functions, its specialized investigation, and what's in store for Cardano in the event that you're attempting to enter the Cardano exchanging market. However, remember that in the event that you want long-haul achievement and benefits, exchanging digital currencies is a determined undertaking that calls for both tolerance and exploration. How about we plunge profound into the blog entry to comprehend whether this coin appears to be legit for you. What is Cardano, ADA? Cardano, frequently known as the potential Ethereum executioner, stands high in the crypto market with secure blockchain innovation, progressive savvy agreements, and application cases. Cardano, which exchanges under the image ADA, was presented by Charles Hoskinson and utilized a proof-of-stake component, in which holders of the money are accused of checking exchanges as a trade-off for a prize. The top cryptographic money trades permit you to take part in marking with no, or little, cost, making it an engaging choice to create pay. Cardano's emphasis on peer-explored information and proof-based approaches in its advancement separates it from other cryptographic forms of money. Most of the cryptographic money market goes quick, yet Cardano swings the alternate way. It moves all the more leisurely and purposefully. The benefit is that it improves designers' probability of recognizing possible dangers. Cardano's specialized investigation. Albeit a great deal of hypothesis is engaged with evaluating development for Cardano and the bigger digital currency market, there are a few expected significant movers for Cardano not too far off. You can follow a reasonable and truth-put-together perspective with respect to your exchanging-related choices through specialized investigation. Following are probably the most utilized specialized pointers, moving midpoints. This particular marker is assembled utilizing Cardano costs got from before information. Utilizing moving midpoints, dealers can decide how the cost of Cardano has changed over the long haul and where it is moving in view of the data within reach. Relative strength list. This is the outline to check if you have any desire to decide if Cardano has been overbought or oversold. You can utilize the overall strength list to decide the market's tone and contribute or sell as needs be. For instance, a looming downturn is regularly anticipated by a cost increment and an overbought signal, while a cost drop and an oversold signal foresee an approaching cost gain. Moving normal intermingling disparity. Moving normal combination disparity, or MACD, alludes to contrasting a 26 and 12 period outstanding moving normal, EMA. A dependable pointer tells you when brokers are changing from buying to selling Cardano as well as the other way around. Major examination. Cardano's particular incentive is its undeniable strength. They aren't planning to catch the whole market for brilliant agreements and dApps. All things being equal, they focus on building a serviceable decentralized monetary area for the creating scene. The Cardano settlement layer and Cardano calculation layer setup keep up with everything coordinated and adaptable concerning innovation. The Cardano group has held the record part of the blockchain, detailing of significant worth, unmistakable from the process part of the blockchain because of their obligation to straightforwardness, why the worth was moved. In addition, Cardano pushes out around 700 commitments each week and arrives at roughly 100 and 150 engineers reliably dealing with the task. Because of these critical quantities of engineers, the coin is probably going to surpass Ethereum in market predominance and is the most effectively evolved blockchain project. Cardano, ADA, current cost. Cardano is as of now worth $0.431850 US. ADA has moved -5.18% as of now with an exchanging volume of $674,795,710. Cardano is as of now positioned 8th among all cryptographic forms of money with a market capitalization of $14,840,718,832. Cardano, ADA, Value Expectation 2022. Cardano, from certain perspectives, is one of the most astounding digital forms of money to rise this year. ADA. The ADA cost figure for 2022 expects a huge expansion in the year's final part, potentially coming to $0.647775. Similarly as with other digital forms of money, the ascent will be slow, however no significant drops are normal. Averaging $0.604590 in cost is very aggressive, however it is attainable sooner rather than later given expected coordinated efforts and headways. ADA is supposed to have a base worth of $0.518220. Cardano, ADA, Value Expectation 2023. In 2023, Cardano ADA cost expectation has a lot of space for extension. Because of the possible declarations of various new organizations and drives, we guess that the cost of ADA will before long outperform $1.08. In any case, we ought to hold on to check whether the ADA's general strength file emerges from the oversold zone prior to putting down any bullish wagers. Taking into account the market unpredictability, ADA will exchange with a base exchanging cost of $0.863699 and a typical exchanging cost of $0.950069. Cardano, ADA, Value Forecast 2024. On the off chance that the vertical pattern go on until 2024, it could reach $1.51 and ADA might benefit. In the event that the market encounters a decay, the objective may not be met. ADA is supposed to exchange at a typical cost of $1.38 and a low of $1.30 in 2024. Cardano, ADA, Value Forecast 2025. In the event that Cardano effectively helps market feeling among digital money devotees, the ADA coin cost could stay stable for the following 5 years. As per our projections, ADA will be green in 2025. The ADA is supposed to reach and outperform its unsurpassed high in 2025. In 2025, the virtual money will be valued at $1.94, with a base cost of $1.73 and a typical cost of $1.81. Cardano, ADA, Value Forecast 2026.